As a parent, you might think if your child is not snoring, their sleep is fine. That is not always true. One of the most overlooked signs is open mouth sleep. Even without snoring, it can mean that your child is not breathing as efficiently as they should at night while they're asleep. Over time, that can affect sleep quality, jaw development, and how the body recovers. The challenge is most parents are only told to look for the loud symptoms, not the quieter ones. If your child sleeps with their mouth open, even if it's quietly, that is worth paying attention to. So follow these videos for more information like this. Book a free consultation today. It'll be worth it.